The Tribal Scars by Osman Sembiene is a short story that explores themes of identity, sacrifice, freedom, and resistance to oppression. The story begins with a group of men discussing the origins of tribal scars, which are often seen as markers of cultural identity. One man explains that these scars have a history tied to survival and resistance. The story is set during the transatlantic slave trade era, where a man named Amu and his daughter, Yume, are targeted by slave traders. Amu's desperate plan to scare Yume's face saves her from enslavement but comes at a cost, symbolizing both the trauma of the slave trade and the resilience of those who resisted it. The story highlights the lengths people went to resist oppression and protect their loved ones during a dark period of history. Daike, the tribal scars, the moral themes of sacrifice, identity, and resisting oppression. The characters facing challenges of slavery choose to scar themselves as a strong symbol of their freedom. The story explores the idea of freedom and dignity to defend their humanity. It shows that real freedom often comes with tough sacrifices. Daike, the tribal scars, explores themes of identity, cultural heritage, and the physical and emotional scars people bear from their experiences. The author uses symbolism to illustrate the effects of colonialism and trauma on individuals. The term tribal scars symbolizes the injuries inflicted by colonizers, both physical and mentally. The poem conveys a bittersweet tone that reflects on the past while inspiring hope for a future. Painful experiences can become sources of strength and pride. Daike emphasizes the theme connection between personal and history, suggesting that our struggles do not define us but instead enrich our identities.